Good afternoon, everybody. What we have before us now is the NYSE, New York Stock Exchange, the hottest sector, biotechnology. And I just want to update some of my old timers. Oh, and greetings to the new MMTs and our trading staff, US and worldwide. One of the things that we had called back for back in the day, this is back in year 2000, but nonetheless, it was in 2012 is where we started this rally. And back in 2011 is when we made the bottom, and we started this rally right here in January of 2012. And back then, and I have all the live proof, I said it would be coming back. Patents were expiring in the pharmaceutical companies and whatnot, and that they had to go higher, and it would be the greatest move. And I'm just going to point out that some of these lows and whatnot are right here. We rally up from the low, January of 2014. We opened at 23.26. We rallied up to 2600. And then, of course, the low was 2302. And so we really took advantage of the low in April of 2014 at 22.7. This is a rising 10-month moving average. And just let me tell you something, that we have never looked back. We had little dips and corrections maybe. Yes, we did. But that 10-month moving average was about as bull as you were going to get. And that red line is a 20-month moving average. That's the kind of momentum that we have. And I can tell you that in 2015, there's going to be some more what we call M&A activity, merger activity. So I'll be happy to say to you that these are the stocks that trade in this index, BTX.X. And we'll just go through a few of them. We already know that Gilead's a home run, but Gilead is in the sector here. PCYC, which came late to the plate, but every dip was a monster pullback. And that was right here on a monthly level. And we've never looked back. However, we're going to keep our eye on it closely because, yes, it too can get a little bit overbought, but every pullback will be there. And every pullback will be covering. We already know that REGN, look at that. This thing consolidated in 2014. That was just, so you got 1 month up, you fade back to the third, the fourth, the fifth, and guess what? The 6 months, the 7th month, 8, 9, 10, 11 months, we are at all-time highs, and every pullback has been great to buy. This particular one right here, CPHD, which has a major top, but on a monthly level, every monthly pullback had a trade. It had an opportunity. And I'm just drawing some trend lines up here right now at this major top. If they're going to pull back, as they will, then we'll short them. And when they make the bottom, so we'll short going down, making money, and then popping that up. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5th month right here in the monthly cycle on CPHD. I'm going to cover this one. Just remember that this stock right here, MYGN, and you guys got to always remember one thing. Intraday, you're safe. Overnight, you have to have protection to cover the risk. In any biotechnology, they are high risk. However, as long as they got something going behind it, this is the one that really hasn't made its move yet. And it's already had its big pullback off of the news right here. But 2015, MYGN, keep watching. That could be a big one right there. And a lot of people already know this one. ALXN Pharmaceutical. This is what it looks like on a monthly level. And whatnot. It broke out. had a big month move, took out this where we had this big pullback. We went right through it on heavier volume and narrow range volume on the top. On that one there, BMRN pharmaceutical. It's again, every pullback with the market again, $55 to $90 over a period of time. Buying the call options and buying the name intraday and trading it. Let the call options run, something like that. And we already know about Celgene. That's in that, and that top is narrow range, but it's only the 7th day of December and whatnot. And we all know about Gilead and how it had its pullback and whatnot. I think I covered just about all of them. Yes, I did. And let me just tell you something right now. This is a bright spot to buy pullbacks, continuing the great opportunities and brand new things that will be coming out in biotechnology stocks. We've been trading them for the last 20 years. And I can show you just what I'm talking about. I'll show you right here. Back in year 2003, they were low. They were nothing back over here in 1997. Nothing at all. And this is what it looks like. 2003, 2008, it gets whacked. It comes back in on a monthly chart, and we've never looked back. And every move that it went down with the broader market in sympathy, it was a buying opportunity. And so when you look at the longer history and you look at it mathematically like we do, every pullback like here is a buy. And we're very happy to point out these with our traders and our option traders and our foreign traders, and it's just a great environment, and we've been here over 5 years doing these live videos during trading days, on weekends like we're doing now on a Sunday, and we've done our best to cover our trading staff. And we also want to let you know that at stockmarketfunding.com you have a lot of advantages, and I'll tell you what they are. You go to the trading tab, free trial. You go open an account. Once you open the account, we are going to give you and click open the account. Watch the pattern day trading rule with accounts below 25 grand. Online platforms by these cheap broker dealers. Those are not platforms. I mean, you don't have any real functionality in those. Your order routing system is crap. I mean, the whole thing is crap. All of it. Here, you're going to be directly to the floor. Once again, we're just pointing out this particular move that GILD did, and we're going to buy the rips and sell those dips. And stock will trade up to 135 in the month of 2015. So I'm going to go for now, and this is the New York Biotechnology.